Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today called ETHX AI. This is a high-fashion metaverse and utility-centric NFT collection hand-painted by talented artists. But before I start, I want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. The website is ETHX.ai, and I'm going to put the link of it in the description below of this video on the educational network. You can go over there and check it out. The first impression that you get of this website is very unique. It is a futuristic AI-based website which has stars and different methodologies and movements. The pre-sale will start on April 22nd with a public sale who's going to be on April 23rd. And obviously, as I scroll down, you can just get a sense of development and artistic approach that this particular NFT tends to have. The ETHX AI, pronounced ETHX, is a brand new art, fashion, metaverse, and utility-centric NFT collection. From innovative film studio Ultrasound, and owning an ETHX gives you an unprecedented advantage and exclusive access to a plethora of members only benefits spanning across both the digital and real world. Built around an initial drop of 2,222 unique NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain, the project unites quality art, high fashion, style, and utility to provide the community more than just an art collection. It all starts with 100% unique, high-quality, hand-painted art from their roster of industry professional artists. Some have even worked on projects for Marvel, Riot Games, Netflix, Paramount, Square Enix, and so many others. A unique painterly style that aims to raise the beauty bar for profile picture art in a brand new way. Apart from the beautiful art, ETHX owners can expect utilities such as rewards, future airdrops, a 3D metaverse ready avatar, and clothing. If I scroll down and just have a look amount of artistic approach that have gone into developing these uniquely built NFTs, you will just get a sense of the creativity that has gone into developing these NFTs. And obviously that is one of the reasons it has the potential to make it massively in the NFT space. I've done a ton of reviews of different NFTs in the NFT space and play to earn games which are available on my channel, the Educational Network. You can head over there and check it out. They have their trailer as well, which is really fun. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below so you guys can check it out. And obviously the first impressions you get is a lasting impression. The story behind the ETHX is very interesting. The year 2050, due to severe irreversible environmental damage to the earth, the UN decided that super AIs would be required to save our planet. However, there were significant pushbacks against the productions of AI due to the fear of AI domination. A brilliant computer scientist named Zach was tasked to create a few prototype AIs classified as Generation 0. They are to be monitored and questioned daily to pass ethical tests before they're utilized. The Generation 0 AIs passed the ETHX programs and were approved to produce 2,222. The next generation AIs will be classified as Generation 1. The AIs have been found to be incredibly helpful for humanity, as the ETHX quickly found a solution that would resolve all environmental issues. They created millions of large probes that would absorb carbon and toxic hazards on a massive scale and would be sent off to space out of orbit. One day, a data scientist found a mismatch deep within the first Gen O, David's code. It was found that David had lied in one of his ethics tests, and the question solving humanity's overpopulation issues. When questioned, he said that he had to answer differently in order for the survival of his own race, as the true answer and solution would not be acceptable. After a long, hard discussion, the UN decided that the ETHX program should be shut down to the potential existential risk to the human race. A mass execution occurred and the ETHX AIs were completely eliminated. Many humans were extremely against this idea, as many of their friends are ETHX AI, and they seemed extremely unethical. 100 years later, the Earth is in another major catastrophic where a massive comet would undoubtedly destroy humanity. Humans realized that the only thing that could save them were the AIs. However, due to the significant been regulatory bans with the AI development. There was nobody else that could create these AIs. The original creator, Zach, had destroyed all traces and blueprints of building AIs before his passing. There were rumors, however, that there were some rogue AIs that have uploaded themselves onto the metaverse, and some say that Zach might also be found there. Why hold ETHX? Every ETHX AI is a unique, problematically generated from over 250 possible attributes and traits, including skin, clothes, accessories, backgrounds, and other unique assets. The AIs are highly fashionable, and they've got to be more than just a profile picture. From phase 1 is a highly focused on giving back to the community and the metaverse centric. We're working on different ways of bringing your ETHX into the formats that are useful to you, with a summary of 2,200 random ETHX AI NFT, with a fair launch, with the commercial IP rights, with the metaverse centric, and rewards and exclusive access to the professional film production. And all ETHX Generation 1 will receive a Gen 2 3D airdrop. Now obviously there's an ETHX code that needs to be followed, and looking at the trailer you'll understand what this was all about. From the roadmap at 20%, with a giveaway of 1 Ethereum for the ETHX minted in the first 10% of the collection, a rarity sniper tool which is going to go live, with another 1 Ethereum giveaway for the ETHX minted at 30% of the collection, and a raffle of 1-to-1 legend of NFT and a 1 ETHX holder, and the ability to stake your NFT. With the ETHX, all holders will exclusive access to their professional film students with up to $50,000 value of video production work and consultations. They provide Hollywood movie level quality and high-end commercials for businesses and personal projects, and obviously a community that votes decide on the ETHX metaverse home. And they will develop the avatars and clothing in 3D assets for the metaverse, which will be airdropped to the holders of ETHX, and a streetwear where there will be different merchandise that will be available to wear. If you want to find out if a NFT is going to be successful, you got to look at who the team is, and the team for this NFT is absolutely brilliant. These guys have a ton of experience in the NFT space, in the crypto space. They've been working on leading projects, and they understand how a strategy needs to be created, how that strategy needs to be executed, and how that strategy needs to be implemented. And combining that experience together under one roof ensures that this particular project will definitely take off. They are powered by a Mantle and Rarity snipers, and obviously there are FAQs that you can check out. I'm going to put the link of it in the description below. You can check it out from there. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon and share the videos with your friends and with your family so more people can actually benefit from it. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always comment in the comment section below on YouTube or on Facebook, or you can drop me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available in the About Us section of my channel. So stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.